Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to install new hoses on your Bissell CrossWave MultiSurface 1785 vacuum. If your machine is leaking or has lost suction, a damaged hose is often the culprit. This repair might seem a bit intimidating, but by following these steps, you can get it done yourself and save some money. First things first, safety is your top priority. Make sure your CrossWave is completely unplugged from the power outlet. Next, remove both the clean water tank and the dirty water tank and set them aside. Then, lift the clear cover over the brush roll and pull the brush roll out. Now, carefully lay the machine down on its back to access the bottom cover. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws holding this cover in place. There are usually several screws located near the wheels and in the middle section. Be sure to remove all of them and keep them in a small container so they don't get lost. With the screws removed, you can gently pry off the bottom cover. A flathead screwdriver might help you release the clips along the edge, but be gentle to avoid breaking the plastic. Once the cover is off, you will have a clear view of the internal components, including the main hoses. You will see two hoses, a larger, ribbed suction hose that carries dirty water, and a smaller, clear tube which is the solution hose that sprays clean water. To remove the old hoses, start with the large suction hose. It is typically held on by friction, so you can carefully wiggle and pull it off its connection points at the foot of the vacuum and on the main body. Then, disconnect the small solution hose. It usually just pulls off a small nozzle. Now, take your new hoses. It's easiest to install the larger suction hose first. Route it through the same path as the old one and firmly push it onto the connection ports at both ends. Make sure it's seated all the way to prevent leaks. Next, thread the new solution hose through its designated channel and connect it to the pump and the spray tip. Once both hoses are securely connected, tuck them neatly into their grooves so they don't get pinched. Now, it's time to reassemble your CrossWave. Carefully place the bottom cover back on, making sure it lines up correctly and doesn't trap any wires or hoses. Reinstall all the screws and tighten them until they are snug, but do not over-tighten. Flip the machine back over, insert the brush roll, and snap the brush roll window back into place. Slide your clean and dirty water tanks back on, and you're almost done. Before you start cleaning, it's smart to test your repair. Fill the clean tank with some water, plug in the machine, and check for proper spraying and suction, and look for any signs of leaks from the bottom. And there you have it, your Bissell CrossWave has new hoses and should be working perfectly again. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more easy-to-follow repair guides. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support truly helps us create more content like this. Thanks again, and happy cleaning!